Now let's do. Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equator. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn the probability functions of this calculator. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Do some probability calculation with this calculator. PRB key displays two menu options. If I press PRB, we will see that PRB, and there is RAND. I can go to the right and see the options available when we go with the arrow left or right. So PRB and RAND. PRB contains the following options: NPR and NCR. NPR is a number of possible permutation, and NCR is number of possible combinations in simple. And then we have factorial. If I go to the left, we will see we have factorial. Factorial 4, for example, is 1 times 2 times 3 to 4. Whatever this digit is, it will be multiplied. But the limitation is that it cannot exceed 69, so it must be equal or less than 69. Example number 1. How many 4 digits can be produced using number 1 to 7? Let's do this one. So we press 7, clear, 7 and PRB, and then we select 1 NPR, this option, 1, and then 4. Enter. So the total 840 numbers can be produced if we pick 4 numbers from 1 to 7. Now example number 2. What is the total possible way of picking 6 balls out of 49? So this is happening, this is used in lottery. So 49 and then PRB, this time number 2, NCR, and then 6. So that means 6 out of 49. So press enter. As you can see, it shows 13.98 or 14 million possibilities. To understand it better, let's say there is a room or container that can have 14 million grains of rice or wheat in this case, and each grain has a number, and 1 grain belongs to you, which is your lottery, and your number is on that grain. And you ask someone to go pick up 1 grain, and you're hoping that he will pick up your grain. That is where your chance is 1 in 14 million. So your money is wasted if you do that. So do not buy lottery. Your money is wasted. Purchase orange juice instead. It's good for you. Now for 4 factorial, press 4, and then we bring the symbol PRB and number 3 factorial. So we have factorial and press enter. That's 24. If you want to do, let's say, 18 factorial, 18 PRB 3 and enter, you see this is huge. Let's say 12 PRB 3. This is a little smaller but still huge number. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video. I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.